Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Karrill DaDiva. Today I'm gonna be doing another hair review for you guys, and this wig today is from LuvMe Hair. Yes guys, you see me review their hair all the time. They have a lot of glueless wig. You don't need to glue them on, and this is one of them. Today in the box I have this stocking cap along with this pouch that has some more goodies in there, so let's dip in there and see what they are. I got this edge scarf and I'm definitely going to be keeping it close by because I'm going to be using it today. I also got this mirror, and by this time I have so much of them because I get them all the time with my LuvMe Hair, and so I put one of them in each of my bags, so whenever I go out I'll have one of them with me. Then lastly, I got this edge brush, and they do come in handy, so I usually keep them around. This is the wig guys. Look at that beautiful color and look at those beautiful curls. So this wig is pre-plucked, as you can see there, and it's also pre-bleached. About the curl in the wig, I did not even have to curl it myself, and you will see for yourself guys. It does have an elastic band in the back of it, like they all do, and it has two clips in the side, one in the back and then another one in the top. So here I'm wearing a stocking cap, and I decided to try the wig before I do anything to it, before I cut the lace off, before I add any foundation if I need to or whatever. But when I tried on, I decided I'm gonna try to see how it looked without the stocking cap underneath, and so I took it back off just to see what it would look like without the stocking cap under it. And to my surprise guys, I like it so much better. I don't know why I haven't been doing it this way for the longest time. Yeah, definitely I don't need that stocking cap under it. It looks so much better without it. And now I'm gonna go ahead and fix it up some more, take the lace off of it. I'm also gonna apply some foundation right where the parting is, just to brighten it up a little bit. Now as you can see guys, the parting is much brighter, and that makes it look more natural, and I didn't even have to pluck it, which is amazing. Now I'm gonna go ahead and apply some edge wax stick on the hair around the parting to help it stays in place and keep it looking nice and silky, and also to prevent any flyaway hair from happening. I also went over it with my flat iron to, tame it some more and, keep it laying nice and flat right around the parting, because you don't want this part to look bumpy. You want it to look nice and flat, and that will make it look more natural. I'm tying down the front of it so it will stay nice and flat while I do my makeup, and this will give it kind of an illusion as if I glued the hair down, but it is a glueless wig, so we're not gluing anything down, but we want it to look that way because that's gonna make it look very natural. I'm also using my LuvMe Hair edge scarf on it, and I fold it in 3. That's the reason why it looks so small here, because that's how much I want on it there. I don't want it to cover my forehead because I'm going to be applying makeup, and I don't want it to cover where I want my makeup to be at. Now I'm going to take the hair back down, and I'm going to apply some of that edge wax stick onto the hair itself all over, but I'm gonna rub it into the palm of my hand and then rub my hands together and rub it all over the hair, and this is gonna help with any flyaway hair on the curls and so on. I don't want to brush the curls out, so this is the reason why I'm applying it like this, and I'm not gonna brush the curls out even after I'm done with my makeup. I'm gonna leave it just like that because I really like the way the curls are, and I'm not gonna add any curls in it either. So yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and do my makeup, and then I will be back to show you guys the finished look. This is it, guys. Look at how beautiful this hair is. One thing I really love about this hair, besides the length, of course, the color and the curls, is how full the hair is. It is so full and it's bouncy, so it is just amazing. It is perfect. Guys, you definitely have to check this hair out. I have to admit, if I went on their website and I saw this color, I would scroll away from it because I never thought that this color would look this good on me. And wearing it now and seeing how it looks, I am so in love. I actually switched it out on my mannequin with a hair that used to be my favorite. So now this is one of my favorite hair that I will grab and go whenever I'm going out. And as for the next time I put it on, I won't have to do anything to it. All I have to do is throw it on my head, maybe comb it a little bit, but really nothing to it. And as you can see here, guys, it is completely glueless, but look how natural it looks. Look how nice it looks, like you wouldn't be able to tell. Yeah, definitely, guys, go on their website and grab yourself one of them. I will leave all the information in the description box as usual, so you guys could, go and find it, or if you want to go check out any other hair on their website, you could do that. I will also leave my code in the description box so you could get a discount on their website when you purchase from them. I believe it's 25% discount. I'm not sure, but you will get a discount when you purchase from them, so definitely check my description box for that. As usual, guys, if you find this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up. I would really appreciate that. Also, if this is your first time on my channel, I would love it if you would subscribe and hit the notification bell so you will be notified whenever I post a new video. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you in the next one. Bye!